Good morning, my dear student. Today I will teach rules theorem and Lagrange main rule theorem. I will discuss today. Today first rules theorem. Okay. See. In previous class, I have already discussed continuous and differentiability. All of you know a function is said to be differentiable at point x equal to a if limit extends to a plus f of x equal to limit extends to a minus f of x equal to f of a. This is the condition of continuity of a function, and a function is said to be differentiable at x equal to a if left hand derivative equal to right hand derivative. Okay. Now Rolle's theorem statement. Okay, I am explaining Rolle's theorem statement. Here f of x be the function. First you have to consider a function. A function is continuous in the closed interval. Okay. Here no need to prove the condition for continuity. Just any polynomial function is continuous. Keep in mind, any polynomial function is continuous. Okay. And any trigonometric function also continuous. Exponential function is also continuous. It's like that. Okay. And a function is differentiable in the open interval. Keep in mind, continuous in closed and differentiable in open interval. And the value of the function at the point f of a equal to f of b. Okay. And to verify Rolle's theorem, there exists at least one value of x, say x equal to c, such that f dot c equal to 0. Okay. This is the condition for Rolle's theorem. Right first, I am telling, right first. Statement, Rolle's to right, Rolle's theory. Okay. First, keep in mind, let f(x) be a function. Let f(x) be a function. Right. Let f(x) be a function such that condition 1, right, f(x) is continuous in the closed interval AB. Right. Let f(x) be a function such that f(x) is continuous in the closed interval AB. Here closed, very important, keep in mind, don't write open. Continuous closed interval AB. If third bracket. Number 2, write f dot x exists in the open interval AB. Give first bracket. F dot x exists in the open interval AB. Okay. Number 3, write f of a equal to f of b. Okay. F of a equal to f of b. Let f(x) be a function such that f dot x continuous in the closed interval AB f dot x exists in the open interval AB, f of A equal to f of B. See, first condition, second condition, third condition. See, all the condition of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Okay, three conditions should be satisfied. Okay, if any one condition is not satisfied, then Rolle's theorem is not verified. Keep in mind, my dear student, if anyone is not satisfied, then it is not verified. Okay, so it depends upon the function. So right, after that, right, all the condition of Rolle's theorem is satisfied. Right. All the three conditions are satisfied. To verify there exists, see, this is symbol, there exists at least one value of x, there exists at least one value of x such that f dot c equal to 0. Right, f dot c equal to 0. To verify there exists at least one value of x in between two intervals. Okay, exists such that f dot c equal to 0. Say x equal to c, right? Say x equal to c. Say x equal to c. Okay. To verify there exists at least one value of x, say x equal to c, such that f dot c equal to 0. C belongs to AB. Okay, C belongs to AB. Such that x equal to c, here C belongs to AB. The value of C always lie between A and B. If it is there, then Rolle's theorem is verified. Okay, C belongs to AB. Suppose the value, suppose I will give you an example. Suppose interval is given -1 + 1. Okay, the value of C will get 0. Suppose, then it is satisfied. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, just we should remember, otherwise this is not possible. Okay, remember. First, given function is continuous, no need to prove continuous. Okay, in the closed interval. Suppose polynomial function is continuous, trigonometric function also continuous, like that. F dot x exists in the open interval, f of a equal to f of b, then there exists at least one value of x, say x equal to c, such that f dot c equal to 0. Okay, fine. So graphically representation, see, suppose, look at it, I am drawing a function, see, suppose, see, x is y axis. Suppose this is the function. Suppose this is f of x. Look at here, function. See, I am taking this point. Here is, see, this point. Suppose this is x equal to a. Here b. Okay. See, here this part f of a. This is f of b. Look at here. This ordinate. Both are equal. In between, suppose C is a point. On C, look at here. Here, if you draw a tangent, the curve. This is the tangent. Look at here, tangent. See, this parallel to x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis. Okay. So here, at that point, this point, f dot c equal to 0. See, here the function increasing. So increasing function, yes, f dot x greater than 0. Here parallel to x axis equal to 0. Then again decreasing. From here the function is increasing. Okay, here decreasing function is there. So here at the point, the function here parallel to x axis at the point. So here f dot c equal to 0. The tangent parallel to x axis. Keep in mind. Okay. So this is the significance of Rolle's theorem, geometrical significance of Rolle's theorem. Okay. Draw the figure. Okay. Next. Now give me one application, right? To verify the condition of Rolle's theorem. Okay. Right. Suppose, right, f of x equal, right, f of x equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 6x, right, fx equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 6x. Okay. So write in the interval 0, 1, this interval. First write condition 1. See, here the positive value of x power, see, all are positive. So given function is continuous in the closed interval as it is a polynomial function. Okay, right. Given function is a polynomial function. Given function is a polynomial function, so it is continuous in the closed interval 0, 1. All right, first, given function is a polynomial function, so it is continuous in the closed interval 0, 1. Don't write, it's very important, open interval. So number also, okay, we will not put the numbers. Keep in mind, don't interchange close, open, close, continuous in closed interval. Next, find f dot x, find out. See, all of you know differentiable. So x cube, yes, 3x square, right? Plus 10x minus 6. Okay. So right, f dot x exists in the open interval, or fx is differentiable at the interval. See, fx is derivable okay, in the open interval. Interval 0, 1. First bracket again. Now f of a find out. I have seen that many students know that put the value here f dot x. Don't put here original function here. You put the value x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. You have to put the value. So first you put 0. See, x 0. Here also 0. Here also 0. So 0. f equal to 0. Put b. This is 1. 1. f of 1. 1 plus 5. 6 minus 6, 0. So right, f of equal to 0 equal to f of b. Okay. See, f of a equal to f of b okay, equal to 0, that is f of 0 also 0, f of 1 also 0, okay, f of 1 also 0, f of 0 also 0. So right, all the condition of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Write it down. All the condition of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Okay, to verified. Right, okay, right. Right, to verify there exists at least one value of x, say x equal to c, such that f dot c equal to 0, right, such that f dot c equal to 0. Okay, now so the value of f dot c is 3x square plus 10x minus 6, right? Therefore write 3c square plus 10c minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so 3c square plus 10c minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, this will be factor or not? 3c square plus 10c minus 6 equal to 0. 6 3 18 will not come. Not coming, no? Yes. Okay? So right, c equal to minus b plus minus b square 100 minus 4 is 4, 3 c right minus 6 by 2a, 2 into 3, that is minus 10 plus minus 172 by 6. Okay, 6. Now zero one should take positive value only. Okay, don't take negative because the interval 0 to 1. Okay, so take c equal to root 172 minus 10 by 6, say 172 square root. Okay, so 13 point something. Okay, 13 point something. So you wait 1 minute. Suppose 172 122 3 okay, 69 3 pointing give double right, 13 and double 26 1, suppose 2 no 1 point 13.1 take 1 something 10 by 6. Okay, now you will get the value of calculator. Okay, there is no calculator is there. So here 3.1 by 6, suppose 0.5 approximately. Okay, see 0.5 means half in between 0 which belongs to So 0 1 you can write to this, 0 1 0.5, that is half. So it belongs to 0 1. Thus Rolle's theorem is verified. Okay, right. Thus Rolle's theorem is verified. Okay. Written. Okay. The next another sum I am showing. One sum. Suppose right. Next one, f of x log x square plus 2 minus log 3 minus log 3. Okay. Interval minus 1 1. See, log function is always continuous in the closed interval. Write first. Given function is continuous in the closed interval. Okay, right. Fx is logarithm function, so it is continuous in the closed interval minus 1 1. Number 2, right. F dot x, that is 2x by x square plus 2. This is constant 0. See, f dot x exists in the open interval. F dot x exists in the open interval. Okay. Number 3, right. Put the value 1. This is 3 minus 1, so 3 log 3 minus 0. Yes. So right. F of 1 equal to f of minus 1 equal to 0. F of a equal to f of b equal to 0. Right. All the condition of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. All the condition of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Written? Yes. Now to verify there exists at least one value of x, say x equal to c, such that f dot c equal to 0, right? F dot c equal to 0. Put the value c, 2c by c square plus 2 equal to 0. Cross multiply, look at here. Twice c equal to 0. You multiplied 0 into something 0. Don't write c square plus 2. Many of the students, they have written like that. 2c by this equal to 0. They forgot. So 2c equal to c square plus 2. Okay. 0 into something 0. Keep in mind. So write c equal to 0. C which belongs to minus 1 1 no? 0. Look at here. The value of c 0. Here in between. Yes. So belongs to minus 1 1. Thus Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Okay. Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Understood? Okay. Now next class I will teach mean value, that is Lagrange mean value theorem. Okay. And I have already given study material. You have to practice at home. Worksheet I gave. Okay. Similar type of sums are there. Okay. Even another sum for homework, right? So very important sum. All of right here. This is very important sum, right? You will do at home, right? F of x equal to sin x minus sin 2x in 0 to pi, right? F of x equal to sin x minus sin 2x. Fx sin x minus sin 2x in 0 to pi. Okay. Again, fx equal to, right, sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x in 0 pi by 2. In 0 pi by 2. F of x equal to sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x in 0 pi by 2. Okay. And very important sum I am giving. Verify, satisfied or very important question. F of x equal to mod x in minus 1 1 minus 1 1. Okay, in between minus 1 1 we get the 0 also point also. Okay, so fx equal to mod x in the interval minus 1 and 1, it is verify or not. Validity of Rolle's theorem, keep in mind, very important question for entrance. Okay, it is the question is also for entrance exam. Fx equal to mod x in the interval minus 1 to 1, and next one, f of x equal to log x square plus ab by x into a plus b in the interval ab. Now students, look at here. When log function is there, don't do direct derivative. So log a by means log a minus log b. You have to apply property. Okay, then it will be very easy to for differentiation, very easy. If you do direct, no, so it will be big calculation and may be wrong. That's why always you have to try shortcut method. Okay, shortcut method. So x square plus ab minus log of x into a plus b. Log a by b, all of you know formula, log a minus log b. Okay, now today all of you understood? Any doubt? No problem? Okay, very good. Next, I will discuss next class, I will discuss Lagrange main value theorem. Okay? Okay, bye.